There we go. So here's another tool that's available to you for download that I think helps with this qualitative assessment. You still need to understand what the probability and impact is going to be, and then I'm going to plug it into this little grid that I have here. So I'm going to say, okay, what's the impact to my project on cost? Is it insignificant? Is it medium? Is it high? Or in this case, I've listed as a fourth one, which is very high. And you can also see these little numbers I have in brackets. So cost has a factor of 2 of magnitude to help me understand the impact of the risk, where scope has a factor of 5. So it's going to have a huge impact on the scope. It's going to rank higher into my overall risk assessment. And the same thing, here's my multipliers. So if I say this guy has a median impact on cost, I'm going to simply enter a 1 in there, and I'm going to hit enter, and it's done the multiplication. Then I'm going to look at it from a cost viewpoint. And what multiplication, you ask? It's cost has a factor of 2, medium has a factor of 3. I multiply 2 by 3, and I get a 6. Now let's look at it from a time viewpoint. Insignificant impact on time, going to have less than a 10 days impact on my project, 25 days or greater than 25 days. Let's say I think this is going to be somewhere between a 10 and a 25-day impact. Put a number or 1 in there, and again, it's going to do the multiplication, 7 times 3, and I think you begin to get the gist. It's going to have a no business impact here, so I'm going to put a 1 in there. And then finally, the last question, is it going to have an impact on quality? And I'm going to say, yes, absolutely, it can have an impact on quality, and put a 1 in there, and it's done all of the math. And this is telling me this particular risk has an impact of medium based on these individual assessments. So this is just another way, another method that I can do my risk and probability impact assessment, either through the red, yellow, green matrix I showed you earlier, or this one to help you do your qualitative impact assessment.